Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Oz, the guy who makes 8-bit music, which I have put a link to in the video description, so check that out if you're into that kind of thing. Today we are taking a look at the CORSAIR ML120 Pro RGB. This is a 3-pack of fans and it comes with a controller hub, so we're going to take a look and review the experience of unboxing this thing. And I can already see that there is goddamn tape. I'm not a fan of the tape, so I have armed myself with a knife for the purpose of getting rid of the tape. So I'm just gonna do, if it's actually true here. Yeah. That should, in theory, do it, so we're going to have to take a look. We're getting somewhere. But I think that it may not have been enough to cut the tape. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. Beautiful. This is your standard CORSAIR design, it seems. So, well, here we have a yellow box and 3 yellow boxes. Now, I would be guessing that this is the fan controller hub type thing. And I can already see that there's tape for this as well. They really love using tape. So I shall rate it accordingly, because I'm not a fan of when they are using tape. But we'll see, maybe it's easy. I've made some. Oh. Here we go. Here we go. This is open. And I am not gonna mess with all of this. Here you can see your controller hubs and your, cords and cables for plugging it in, so that's nice. That is what that looks like. And then we have, I'm just gonna do one of these because there's 3 fans and it's unnecessary to do all 3 of them. And there's simply one. You have your fan and that's it. Heavy and sturdy construction, it seems like. And yeah, there isn't much more to say about that unless there's hidden goodies. No, that's just a construction or for stability. I would rate this as a 7 because, you know, tape in 2 places. But on the other hand, it was fairly easy to open once you cut the tape up. No surprises, really, no plastic bags or anything like that that you have to fix. But still a 7, I would say. So, yeah, decent job there. And like, comment, subscribe, share, all of that. Because we all know that now YouTube has messed around with their subscription settings, so in order to actually make sense you would have to subscribe. But thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.